Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. In this video, we're going to talk about HTML IDs. In the previous video, we discussed HTML classes, which are kind of similar to HTML IDs, but have their distinguishing features. An HTML ID is used to specify a unique ID for an element. Multiple elements cannot share the same ID. So we used an analogy in the previous video of twins in the same class. Now, another analogy that can be used for HTML IDs is the fact that the same identical twins in the same class may have a unique identification number or an index number that distinguishes them. And that's how IDs work. They are used to locate or target a unique element that you want to have unique features. The ID attribute is also used to point out an ID name in a style sheet. So when it comes to CSS, you can use the ID to target a specific element. It is also used by JavaScript to access and manipulate elements with a specific ID. So with JavaScript as well, you're able to access elements through their IDs. In CSS, a hash or a pound sign precedes an ID name. So just as a period was for the class in CSS, a hash symbol or a pound sign is used for IDs. Now we're going to practice what we've learned in Visual Studio Code. One thing I forgot to mention when I was explaining what IDs are is the fact that a particular element could have an ID and a class at the same time. So from the previous video, we had three H3 elements. The first two had a common class of red. Now let's say we want to apply a unique style to the first element. You can use an ID and say underline. Now to target that particular element by its class in CSS, we're going to use the hash sign and call the class name underline. Now we're going to apply text decoration underline. Now going into the browser, the first H3 element has an underline. So that's how HTML IDs work, and that's how they blend in with HTML classes. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about CSS. We're finally going to start CSS, so I'm going to explain the various CSS concepts in depth. Thank you.